Arnold Schwarzenegger, born 1947, Austrian-American actor, former bodybuilder and former governor of California. Lisa Kudrow, born 1963, American actress best known for playing Phoebe Buffay on the TV sitcom Friends. Christopher Nolan, born 1970, acclaimed British-American film director known for Inception and Oppenheimer. Lawrence Fishburne, born 1961, award-winning American actor known for The Matrix and Boys and the Hood. Terry Crews, born 1968, American actor, comedian and former professional football player known for Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Hilary Swank, born 1974, two-time Academy Award-winning American actress known for $1 Million Baby and Boys Don't Cry. Jean Reno, born 1948, French actor known for his roles in Leon, The Professional and Mission Impossible. Paul Anka, born 1941, the iconic Canadian-American pop singer and songwriter known for classic hits like Diana and writing the English lyrics to My Way. Sonu Nigam, born 1973, prominent Indian playback singer. Buddy Guy, born 1936, the legendary American blues guitarist and singer who pioneered the Chicago blues sound. Kate Bush, born 1958, the acclaimed English pop singer songwriter famous for her pioneering artistry and the chart-topping hit Wuthering Heights. Jürgen Klinsmann, born 1964, German soccer legend and former manager of the United States men's national team. Misty May Trainor, born 1977, American beach volleyball legend and three-time Olympic gold medalist. Chris Mullin, born 1963, American Basketball Hall of Fame player and five-time NBA All-Star who played for the Golden State Warriors and Indiana Pacers. Glozell Green, born 1972, pioneering YouTube personality and comedian known for her viral challenge videos and early platform fame.